Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Ramesh. In this session, we learn about how to print or find the even numbers by using the JavaScript. I am printing the even numbers and odd numbers by using in three ways. First, in Visual Studio, I am creating the one file. This name is nothing but the index dot and file index.html. I am created the one HTML file and now I am completing the basics of the HTML. Okay, I am renaming the title as a finding even and the odd. In this session, we learn about how to find the even numbers and the odd numbers by using the JavaScript. Just I am taking the one div, one heading. Heading is nothing but even numbers, and below this heading tag, I am taking the one other div. In div, I am taking the paragraph tag. In paragraph tag, I am giving the ID as even. Why I am taking this paragraph tag and I am giving the ID to this to print these even numbers in this paragraph tag. And same, I will copy this and paste one more time, and I will rechange the name as the odd number, and I will rechange the ID is odd. Let's observe this. In this paragraph tag, you will be print only even numbers, and in this paragraph tag, you will print odd numbers. This is our HTML. Our HTML part is completed. Now I am moving to the script. To write script, use script tag. Variables let even equal to document dot get element by ID, which we want to store in this even. Why we are storing in this? Because to print this value in this paragraph, even numbers will be printed in this even number tag, this ID, and same copy this and rename as this odd number, and rename here it is also odd. Now variable storation is completed. Now I am moving to the for loop to rotate the loop and to find the even number. I am writing the loop. In loop, I am creating, just I am making the space from here to see the visibles in clearly. In variable, I am creating the one let variable and creating an I variable. In I is equal to 1, I am taking the value and just check it. I am finding up to 50. You can find up to 100, so etc. But I am taking the 50 to my browser effect to display in certain fit to, if 50 is fit to the my browser. Okay, this is nothing an issue. How much you want to print, you can do it. Less than or equal to how much you want to print in 50. In 50, what are the even numbers and what are the odd numbers? To find this, I'm taking 50. If you want to print 100 or 1000, you want to take here 100 or 1000, but I need to take 50. Up to 50 enough. Okay, the loop want to run because I am the I plus plus plus. The loop is running, but we want to give the one condition to find the even numbers. What the condition? If I means what? Whatever number passing through I means I 1, 2, 3 modulo by 2. The remainder should be 0. If number passing through I is 1, 1 by 1 modulus 2 equal to 0, then remainder should be in 0. It means it is an even number. 1 modular by 2 is not a remainder, should be not a 0, that's why it is not a even number. In this I'm writing where we need to print these values in this paragraph. We already taken this paragraph and I taken this one id and the id is stored in this event. Let's even dot, what if you want to write an HTML document, we use inner text or inner HTML. Inner HTML is better to print and use equal to, and I'm writing some text. This is even number. This is an even number plus which we need to print this I value. Okay, I'm taking the I value and I'm taking the space for breaks using the break tag. Okay, it's completed. Now let's we check in the browser. Open live server. Here let's see, this is even number, only 50 have been printed. Up we want to print up to 1 to 50, but we are not able to see here. To see this, just add a plus. It will be repeat, even paragraph 1, paragraph 2, it will repeat and show this is even. Where we starting up to 1, from 1 is checking, 1 to 50 is checking the modulus equal to 0 is equal to is 0, then the number should be an even number. And next I am giving for the odd numbers condition. This is nothing but else. Of course, else those numbers are be what? Negative. Odd numbers. Copy this and paste here, and let's change even as to be an odd, and here it is also changed odd. Let's check. See here, this is an even number. This is even number 2, 4, 6, 8, and this is odd number 1, 3, 4. Up to 50 we have to. If you want to print 100, let's give here 100. That's it. The 100 should be printed. Up to 100, even numbers and the odd numbers will be printed. Okay, this is one type to print the even numbers and the odd numbers, and the other type, and two more things are there in to find the even numbers and the odd numbers. Okay, I will explain in the other sessions, and thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe for more videos.